Hey, what's up, guys? I received my iPod Touch a couple of days ago, and I also got the Griffin's Reflect case because I'm a real neat freak with my iPod. I don't want it to get scratched or bumped or anything like that. So I was watching the video on supposedly there's a guy, he had a problem with taking off the Griffin, and that he got his iPod dented, and I don't know, it was like a really big case about it. But anyway, I figured out a way how to actually fix all this. So what we pretty much have to do is your Griffin, um, your Griffin Reflect comes with this little thing here. So what you have to do is take this thing, fold it in half. Leave that there, and the next thing you need is a penny. Oops. Let me just get that from the floor. Ciao. Okay. Next thing you need is a penny or whatever, and you take this little cloth here. You take it, you fold it in half. You're gonna place it right here on the side. Once you do that, that's going to cover it from any dents or scratches. Then you're going to put this in here. You're going to make sure that you twist. It's going to take a couple of tries. Make sure that you twist pretty good here. Sometimes it doesn't work all the time, but okay. There you go. Once you hear that clap or snap, that means that it's actually opened. You're going to open it slowly, make sure that your iPod doesn't come out, make sure you're doing it on your bed or something. Make sure that you're doing it correctly. There you go. Then it's going to snap. Then leave it open here. Then after that, put your hand down. Take your iPod out. Slowly, because you don't want it to get messed up. It's like that, and then that's it. Thank you very much.